Good afternoon, everybody. Colin here with Techout. Today, Apple released iOS 14 to the public. Long-awaited update, very nice update. I'm not going to really go through all the new features and changes in this video, more so tell you whether you should update right now or whether you should wait till later down the road when iOS 14.1 comes out or 14.2, whatever it may be. And my opinion is that you can go ahead and update. I've been on the beta since beta 1, so I've gone through them all, and I really haven't had too many issues with anything. Everything has been running pretty smoothly. Battery life is definitely good. I've been able to get through days with 60-70% left without issue, with moderate usage. If you're a heavy user, I still think you're going to be able to get through the day with probably 30 or 40% left, just depending on how you're using your device. Right now, there aren't too many app updates available for iOS 14 just yet. Apple just started accepting iOS 14 app submissions to the App Store yesterday, so they are still going through and approving those. Once they come out, though, we should hopefully seeing apps taking advantage of iOS 14 features such as widgets and all that kind of stuff. So we should start seeing that soon. But it's running very, very smooth. And I haven't really encountered any major bugs in the last beta or two, so the final version is definitely stable as well. Been using it for a couple days without issue, no major crashes, no crashes at all actually, no restarts, nothing like that that we usually see on the early builds. So all that has been fixed, and performance is definitely ready for the everyday user. I'm Colin with Techout. If you guys have any questions, ask them down below, and I will feel free to feel free to ask them down below, and I will get to them and answer them with any questions you may have before you upgrade, or any features that you have questions about, stuff like that. Like I said, Colin with Techout. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe. And as always, have a great day.